Good morning, my dear children. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. So, children, I am back with our part 2, and the chapter of our today's class is our helpers. We learn about teacher, doctor, policeman, postman, and many more helpers in our previous video. So let's take a quick revision that how much you have learned in our previous video. After that, we will go to talk about the other helper in this video. Student, we have learned about how firefighter help us, how nurse help us, how police is our real hero as we talk about in our previous video. How chef, as you know children, chef make a delicious food for us. Bin lady help us to keep our surrounding clean. Mechanic help us to repair your vehicles. Doctor, there is a doctor who always help us whenever we are sick or unhealthy. Teacher, yes, our teacher teach us many things that are very useful to live our life in a good direction. Yes, how postmen help us. A postman deliver letters and telegram to our doorstep. How tailor help us. He stitches a beautiful dress. Farmers grow food and rice, wheat and vegetable and fruit and many more things for us. Gardeners look after the garden. He grew a beautiful flower for us. Vegetable seller sell vegetable and fresh food for us. Carpenter makes wood things for us. Grocer help us to meet our daily needs. Yes, so that's all about our previous video. So children, in this video we will come to know about our other helpers, that how these helpers help us, how they play a important role in our life. So children, let's start. All these person help us in our day to day life. We need these helpers to help us in our daily life. Yes, these are our helpers. We cannot do everything with ourselves. We cannot mend our shoes with ourselves. We cannot uh, treat ourselves with ourselves. So, we all need these helpers to help ourselves. Students, beside our parents and our domestic helper, these are our helpers who help us. So let us find out more about other helpers. Yes, children, this is a plumber. And how he help us? A plumber put pipes in buildings. Yes, children, you have seen this helper in your building when there is a problem in your water pipe, in your tap, or in your bathroom tool. So is there any problem? So you can call him and ask for the help. Yes, the plumber put pipes in the buildings. Plumber put the sink where you wash your utensils, the toilets and the bathtub. Plumber fix pipe that leaks. If is there any leakage in your bathroom pipe or any pipe, so this plumber fix that leakage. Yes, he help us. Yes, barber. Yes, he's also very important. How he help us? A barber help us to manage our hair. Yes, he's also very important. We all need him. We can make our hair in very style just because of him. He makes a various hairstyle, whatever we like. So he is also very important. He gives us a beautiful haircut, whatever we like, according to the fashion, according to the style. So he is also very important. Electrician. How he helps us? He works with the electricity and the wires. Whenever there is a problem of the electricity in your place, in your home, you can call him to fix them. He works with the electricity. He works with the wire and repair the electric switches. He repair the electric switches. Whenever there is a problem electricity, you can call him. Without them, we cannot fix any kind of wire. Yes, student, I know you all love to eat chocolate, cake, ice cream and all these things. So these things, these junk food damage your teeth and it create a pain. So whenever your tooth is pain, from where you would like to go? You have to go to the dentist. Yes, this is a person who help us when our tooth is not in working condition, when our tooth is getting pain for us. So dentist cleans germs and fix cavities on your teeth. How he help us? He fix cavities and clean the germs from our mouth. Children, I would like to say one thing. You have to brush your teeth twice in a day so that you don't need to go to this helper. And do not have many chocolates, ice cream daily. Do not eat junk food, otherwise you regularly visit to this dentist. Yes, construction worker or mason. How he help us, children? What beautiful houses you have seen in your area or your houses in which you are living has been made by these important helpers. They help our community by building houses, apartment and buildings. How he help us? They help our community by building house, apartments and many schools, hospitals and all the beautiful buildings has been made by them. So they are also very important for us. If we want to have a beautiful house, so we have to call them and they make a very beautiful house for you. So these are also very important for you. Yes, sanitation workers or sweepers. Yes, just because of them, our surrounding seems neat and clean. They cleans our surroundings and they pick up the trash. Yes, children, how they help us? How they help us? They cleans our surrounding and pick up the trash, the garbage, whatever is spreading in all your surroundings. They help us to clean them. They pick up the trash that is stinky, that can create a disease in your area. So they clean them and they sometimes pick up the leaves. Sanitation worker work in all different places and weather. So they are so important for us. Traffic police. Children, whenever you go to the road or any area, so you can see there is a person who control the traffic. Yes, according to these light, red, yellow and green. So he control the traffic. Yes, children, he help us in various way. How he help us? He control the traffic and and diminishes all the accident. If we follow all the traffic rules, we will not face any kind of accident or incident. Any kind of accident in our life, we have to follow him. We have to follow all the traffic rules. Yes, our next helper. Yes, children. You can easily identify this picture. Beside all our helpers, there is a one person in your life that is so important. So, children, I think you all came to know for whom I am talking about. Yes, I am talking about your mother. She is our biggest helper. How she help us? She help us in many ways, and she never expect in return from us. Yes, children. For instance, if she is doing something for us, she never expect any kind of reward, any kind of award from us. But just she does our help without expecting anything. So there is only one person in this universe, that is our mother. Yes. Many of us also have a domestic help at home who help us in our household work and take care of all the family members. Yes, she does help in many fields and she help all the family members of your house. She merely not help you, but she also help your father, mother, your grandparents, and all the family members in your house. She help us in many ways. We always respect her, we always appreciate her, we never forget her efforts in our life. Thank you, Ma. Why we are saying thank you? Yes, for waking me up every morning. Yes, your mother waking you up for every morning. She helping me to get ready for school. Yes, she help you to get ready for school. Without her, you never be on time on your school. She is the one who makes us punctual, disciplined. Yes. For preparing delicious food for me. Yes. She prepare a delicious food for us. For helping me with my study. Yes. She always help us in our study. So she is the only person who always help us. Not in only one aspect. She help us in our study. She help us to make a delicious food for us. She helping me to get ready for school, for waking me up, and many more work. She always there for us. She does so many work for us without expecting anything. So she is the biggest helper for us. And children, whenever she is getting strict with you, so never get upset. She is doing whatever she is doing for you just because of your welfare. Yes. So children, did you learn? Did you learn how all these helpers help us? Let's take a short revision for yes, we'll talk about our mother. We'll talk about traffic police. Traffic police control the traffic. Sanitation worker clean the surrounding. Construction worker help us to make the apartments and building for us. And dentist help us to make our cavity on our teeth and clean the germs from our teeth. Yes, the electrician, she helped to fix the fire wires. Barber help us to manage our hair. Plumber put pipes in our buildings. And so many more what we have learned in our previous video. So this is all about our chapter. So children, now let's take a short recapitulation that how much you have learned from this video. Yes, children. Can you tell me who control the traffic? Yes. Who control the traffic? Traffic police. Traffic police control the traffic. Yes, children. You can see the person is white shirt with black trouser. There is a uniform and you can see he indicate various sign for the traffic rules. So you have to follow all the traffic rules and he control all the Traffic. So he's our traffic police. Second, teaches to the student. Yes, student, we have learned in our previous video who teaches you? A teacher. Next, ripe the corn. Who ripe the corn? Who grow food for you? Can you identify this person? Yes, children, you are right. This is a farmer. Defends our country. Yes, children, who defends our country apart from the policeman? Whenever there is emergency in your place, in our country, we oftenly call them. Can you tell me from for whom I am talking about? Yeah, our soldier. Our soldier is our real hero. They defend our country from the terrorism and from any disaster. Clean our surroundings. Yes. Who make our surrounding neat and clean? Sweeper, or we can say the sanitation worker. They help us to make our surrounding neat and clean. So children, I think you have learned the lesson very carefully. So clap for yourself. Next, you have to identify these helper according to their uniform and according to their work. Yes. Police. Can you identify where is the policeman? Yes, I know you can easily identify with their uniform and the person who is standing in between all to the policeman. There is a thief. So, where the police? Yes, here is the policeman. Yes. Now, children, can you identify where is the postman? I know you can identify the postman through his uniform and the bag that he's carrying with him and the letter that he's carrying with his hand. Yes, this is a postman. He's carrying a bag. This bag contain many letters that he has to deliver to their doorstep. He has to deliver all the letter and parcel to the to our doorstep. And this is a letter, this is a uniform, and this is a bag. So all these things make us identify that he is a postman. How can you identify the soldier? A soldier always stay with their gun. He is the soldier. He wear a khaki uniform or he always carry gun for us. He save us from any emergency or any disaster. Yes. At the last picture, you can easily identify this man with this swing machine. He's a tailor. So children, I hope you all you all have come to know that how these helpers help us. You can easily identify them with their work, with their uniform. So children, this is all about these chapters. All these helpers or people help us every day to make our work easier. Yes, all these helpers help us to make our work easier. We have to always respect them and to be thankful to them. Yes, children, we always respect them and always have to thankful for them. Never forget their efforts, always respect them, always appreciate them. Thank you. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Do not forget to love your parents and do not go outside during the lockdown period and always study and respect your elders and respect your helpers in your surroundings. So, thank you.